We were found out, though, Pi Day actually started 27 years ago in San Francisco.
You know,
in case you're wondering.
It's always fun to say Happy Pi Day. So just tell your friend that. Tomorrow they might look at you kind of weird, but
now we
fun,
know.
Right?
I might eat a pie in honor of
Well, you know what
Pi Day.
today is, though?
What is it?
Friday the 13th.
Oh, that's right.
It's our second one in a row.
I thought
Which is really rare. It won't happen again until like 2027. So
isn't that odd?
Yeah, we have 2 months of bad luck or whatever you want to say, and then maybe it's over with for us, right?
And we got some rain to
we do
celebrate.
Exactly. So yeah, it's going to be a little rough this weekend. We need the rain, but you know, it's always rough when it's bad timing like this. It's already coming in now. You can see it in Portland, the green moving in, just light rain, nothing too tough to handle at this point, but just keep in mind it's not going to let up much. That is going to be the trend going into the weekend. And in fact, we're tapping in, like I said earlier, into this really deep moisture. So we have the Pineapple Express basically setting up here in the Pacific Northwest, so that's going to bring in a ton of rain, not only from the coast to the Cascades, but even central and eastern Oregon getting in on the rain. Overnight tonight in the upper 40s, and we'll continue to see the breezes pick up. And of course, as we take a look at our water year, we are looking at rain totals at about 2 inches below where they should be for the year so far in Portland. We could make that up in this weekend. This is what you can expect out of the system. Consistently moderate to heavy rain for the coast and the mountains, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches by the time we get to Sunday. For the valley, 1 to 2 inches of rain. And then, of course, watching those winds. Winds will be picking up along the coast especially, and especially tomorrow morning. We can see gusts between 40 and 50 miles an hour there. You get into the valley, 25 to 35 mile an hour winds in the morning. They will taper off a little bit in the afternoon, but it stays pretty breezy, 15 to 20 mile an hour winds throughout the afternoon. Your rain and cloud forecast, here we are at 8:30. We'll continue to see these showers develop moving on into the valley. Meanwhile, central and eastern Oregon looking okay for tomorrow. So if you get up early tomorrow, you get east of the Cascades, you'll find some dry time. And for Portland, probably your best chance to get out there before it's really just sopping wet will be really early tomorrow morning, because here we are in the afternoon. We're continuing to see it hammer the valley and the Cascades, coast and coast range too. And then we'll have one more chance to get in on some dry time, and that'll be overnight Saturday. The system's going to kind of take a dip to the south, so it could dry out a little bit overnight and early Sunday morning. But watch what happens through the day Sunday. It lifts back up to the north to keep that rain going, and then we finally clear out as we go into your Monday. So drying out next week, skies gradually clear. Monday, we're looking at highs in the mid-60s, so great for St. Patrick's Day. And then we'll look at a mainly dry and warm week ahead. If you're headed to the coast this weekend, 50s, windy to breezy conditions by Sunday, rain not letting up till Sunday evening. If you're headed to central Oregon, not too bad Saturday, but the winds will be up. 25 to 35 mile an hour winds there, and then rain for your Sunday. A wetter day Sunday, but less wind, and then the gorge is going to be looking at rain too. Your 7-day forecast showing that once we get through the weekend, it does look a lot better. We may have a lingering shower early Monday, but I think we'll get some sunshine going for the afternoon. And then St. Patrick's Day looks great. Look at that, near 70 as we go into next week.
And I love that hat that you have on there.
Stay inside this weekend and grab a pie.